Hey divas, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Main, and today's video is another quick get ready with me featuring the ColourPop Fortune palette. This is their latest palette. It just dropped maybe last week, and I decided to get it because I was feeling these colors. Thought it was gorgeous enough to buy, so I decided to invest some money in it. And of course, these are the colors that I used. This isn't a talk through, but I do show you what eyeshadows that I used. I'll put them on the sub captions on the bottom of the screen so you know which colors that I use. But I probably will my next video, because I'm probably going to do maybe 2 more looks using this palette. And my next video, I'm probably going to be a little more detailed, talk through, beginner friendly, so you guys can see what I do step by step instead of just watching me do it all over the place. But on my lids, this color really stood out to me. It is called Miser. I think it's Miser. I don't know, but that's the color that I have on my lids. I thought it was a really cute color and decided to start off using that, and then it just kind of went from there. So this is the palette that I used to achieve this look. I'll also show my new favorite concealer, which is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I have been hearing about this for so long. I've been hearing about this for so long, and I decided to try it, and I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I love it. It almost is taking the place of the dropping stuff, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It is so thick, creamy, full coverage. This is $6, and it works like it's a high-end concealer. I'm really feeling it. The color that I have is medium 28. So if you feel like trying a new concealer, go ahead and invest your money in, well, invest your $6 in this no filter concealer. Love it, love it, love it. And also on my lips is another ColourPop lip gloss, which is the Shayla by ColourPop in Neat Freak. It's a clear lip gloss with little gold speckles, and I put it on top of my new lipstick. So if you want to see how I achieve this pretty much ColourPop look, then you know you need to do yourself a favor and continue to watch. Till next time, divas.